Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to delete your Doordash history. So let's get into the video. So open up Doordash and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your orders section here. So when you get to your orders section here, so now this loads up all your orders. So if you want to delete an order, unfortunately you can only delete it if that order has not been confirmed yet. Suppose if the order has been confirmed, then you won't be able to delete it, as the data will be it will be saved on their database. So you will no longer be able to delete those order history or order details if it's been confirmed. But if it's not been confirmed, then you can simply open up an order. So for example, here I have an order that's been completed, been cancelled. So if you scroll down, and you will see under reorder, and you have all these options here. So underneath you will see an option to cancel it. That's if the order has not been confirmed yet. So you can just hit on the cancel, and then you'll be able to delete that order. But if it's been already confirmed, then unfortunately you won't be able to see that option to cancel or delete, so like as you can see here. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.